Welcome fellas into this new video of TechPress. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Mailchimp account directly with your Shopify store in a very easy way. To do this process, you need two tabs to open. The very first tab to get started with is the Shopify. So let's go and log in with your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you might now be having access to it, and here's the administrator dashboard. If you don't have an account into Shopify, you have the link down below in the description to get started totally for free, and then having a huge deal later on. Now that I have access to my Shopify, I'm going to open a new tab and go for the Mailchimp. Into Mailchimp, I'm going to log in directly into my account. And once you have done this process, you now might be having access to Mailchimp and both the Shopify. Now, to set up your actual account into Mailchimp, just in case you don't have the Mailchimp account, it's going to be really easy. Just provide an email as well as a passcode. You can use a Gmail account, you can use a Hotmail account, or even a Facebook account to do this process much more faster. Now, to add this directly into the Shopify, what we need to do is to go back directly into Shopify. Make sure that you have signed in directly into Mailchimp in order to do this process much more faster. So if you have access to the dashboard, then what we can do is to go back into Shopify. Let's go into the left part that says applications. And here let's type into the upper side that says apps. I'm going to type the word Mailchimp. So you can see that here is the Mailchimp section. If you don't see this, you can go into search Mailchimp into the Shopify App Store. And this one should be sending you directly into the App Store of the Shopify, so you can download an application that can be helping you to boost this stuff. In this case, here's the Mailchimp email. So how do I know this is the actual developer? Here to this intuitive Mailchimp. So I hit here where it says install. Now it's going to be sending you into a new tab where you needed to grant the access of the application to be installed into your store. Let's go for install. You can go back here into the web store and close it, so you can just stick around with this page. Now you have access to the dashboard of the Mailchimp, but inside the Shopify. So exactly the same thing that I'm seeing in here, it should be appearing into Shopify. So here I'm going to go for logged in because we already have an account here into Mailchimp. And as you can see, since we already have a Mailchimp account signed in, you might be seeing that you have the authorization right away. So let's click into allow. And the connection between the Mailchimp and the Shopify should be done automatically. So after the integration is completed, you'll need to sync your Shopify customers with the Mailchimp. So if you go here into Mailchimp for the Shopify, you can check out that here I have the section that says synced now. So that means that my store data using the default settings or configure how to use the contact tags and data fields important should be synced now. So if I go for sync now, all the stuff that I have here for my customers, my orders, my content, the analytics, and all of that should be sent directly here into Mailchimp. So click into sync to start the transfer and customer data to the Mailchimp, and you're good to go. Once you have done this process, you might be seeing that we have to continue to Mailchimp, have the audience stat, the promo codes, the tag syncing, rule builder, settings, and the subscriber syncing. So now that your customers are synced, you can start setting up some automated email campaigns. So for example, you can create a welcome email for all your new customers and abandoned cards to remind customers to complete their purchase. So if I go for continue to Mailchimp, this one should be sending me back into the dashboard of the Mailchimp. But check out that we are now inside the Shopify account profile. As you can see, it says connected. Here are my customers, my subscribers, my product. That means I can go into the upper side that says create, and I can start with a regular email or focus into automations, for example, and I can create a new journey. Let's go for design a regular email. So Mailchimp provides detailed analytics so you can track the performance of your email campaigns. You can see open rates, data help you understand what works and how to improve your email marketing strategy, and much more. If you need to manage or update your Mailchimp integration, you can do it there from the Mailchimp from Shopify. Here inside the Shopify section, go into apps and look out for Mailchimp email and SMS. You can see that we have the account section to the upper side, so you can change settings, resync the customers, or some troubleshoot any issues that might be arise. So that is actually it, guys. That's how we can actually connect your Mailchimp successfully directly into your Shopify. Now you can start leveraging the power of the email marketing to grow your business. So if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more tips from TechSpress. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Take your time to check out all the Mailchimp tools that it has to offer to you totally for free. And hopefully with all of this being said, we can see you to a brand new section of TechSpress. See you next time.